Did you know a 2023 study by Stanford University found that over 80% of self-made millionaires built their wealth primarily through residential real estate investment? That's right, owning houses and apartments could put you in the millionaire club. Hey everyone. Welcome to the Financial Context channel, your go-to destination for exploring exciting opportunities to boost your income. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of real estate and its incredible potential for wealth creation. Also, you'll get to know about top 8 best courses you can find on Skillshare to learn in-depth knowledge about real investing. Let's get started. 1. The power of real estate. Real estate, often overlooked, emerges as a hero in the world of investments. Consider this scenario. You acquire a property, turn it into your home, and witness its value appreciating steadily over time. It's an asset silently working to enhance your financial standing. Think of it as your journey toward financial prosperity, a silent partner that consistently contributes to expanding your net worth. If you make smart investments in real estate, it can help generate cash flow. Over the long term, this can happen when you eventually pay off your mortgage and sell the house at a profit. In the short term, it happens when you buy a property and convert it into a rental unit. It offers a more stable form of passive income than you would receive by investing in stocks or other businesses. You can also turn this into your preferred mode of income once you have established your real estate portfolio. Many investors buy and sell homes at a profit or buy and lease rental units. 2. Multiple streams of income. But wait, there's more to this financial powerhouse. Real estate is not a one-dimensional investment, it's a multifaceted money-making machine. Picture this. A monthly influx of rent, the property itself gaining value, and the icing on the cake, enticing tax benefits. It helps you with diversified investment portfolio, but with tangible, brick-and-mortar assets. Real estate orchestrates a symphony of income streams, playing a harmonious tune that can lead you toward financial success. 3. Tangible asset and leverage. What sets real estate apart from other investments? It's tangible, a physical asset you can touch, feel, and experience. Yet, the true game changer lies in the concept of leverage. Real estate acts as a valuable financial ally. It boosts returns and speeds up wealth creation. The power of leverage transforms your real estate endeavors from merely good to truly exceptional. Leveraging in real estate involves using borrowed funds, typically through a mortgage, to increase the potential return on your investment. Here's how it works. You make a down payment, securing the property with a fraction of its total value. The remaining amount is covered by borrowed capital. As the property appreciates over time, the return on investment is calculated based on the entire property value, not just your initial down payment. Let's take an example. You decide to buy a property valued at $200,000. You make a down payment of $40,000, 20% of the property's value, and borrow the remaining $160,000 through a mortgage. Over 3 years, the property appreciates by 5% annually. After this period, the property is now valued at $231,525. Your return on investment, ROI, is calculated based on the entire property value. The appreciation is $31,525, and your initial investment was $40,000. Therefore, your ROI is approximately 78.81%. 4. Inflation as biggest advantage. In a world where prices seem to surge with every passing moment, real estate stands as a formidable shield against the erosive effects of inflation. A 2024 report by the National Bureau of Economic Research shows that historically, real estate investments outpace inflation by an average of 3% annually. Property values have a historical tendency to keep pace with or even outpace inflation, making real estate a stable and secure investment in the face of economic uncertainties. It's fortress guarding your wealth, providing a sanctuary that remains resilient amid the ever-changing financial landscape. 5. Skillshare. Your gateway to real estate mastery. Now, let's uncover the secret sauce to mastering the art of real estate, Skillshare. To embark on this exciting wealth-building journey, you need the right tools, and Skillshare offers a treasure trove of knowledge. What sets Skillshare apart is the plethora of courses that boast 5-star ratings. These stellar reviews serve as a testament to the effectiveness and value of the content, drawing parallels to the satisfaction and success experienced by real estate investors who have followed sound investment principles. With hundreds of students actively participating in these real estate courses, Skillshare fosters a dynamic community where individuals can share insights, lessons learned, and strategies. Here are top 8 courses that can help understand real estate investing from basic to advanced level. 1. 11 Steps for Landlords to Find Great Tenants by Imo Akade. 2. Start a Services Accommodation by Ahmed Khan. 3. Buy and Hold. How to Buy, Fix, Tenant and Manage Rentals by Blencardi. 4. Excel in Real Estate Investing by Kari Parker. 5. Sophisticated Real Estate Investing by Alex Koromanis. 6. Learn Real Estate Investing by Shane Kluter. 7. The Probate Blueprint. Real Estate Investing Masterclass by Ben Clardy. 8. B4R Property Investing Model by Ravindra Ajla. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your real estate game. Check out the link in the description, and let's unlock the door to your financial success together. Whether you're a novice seeking to enter the real estate market or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, Skillshare provides a platform where you can access high-quality courses. So, don't let those dreams linger in your mind, take action. Click the link below, and together, let's embark on this exciting journey of wealth creation and financial empowerment.